bad.
We've got a new toy there, we're going to unbox that in a minute.
We'll be seeing that in a bit.
Yes, and...
You enjoy the present in a bit.
Adios.
Bye-bye.
A lot of people forget that you should actually spend a lot of your money on lenses because that's what's going to give you a super sharp, crisp image. So they often say that you should buy camera bodies new and buy lenses second hand. So I've just bought this second hand and saved anywhere between 300 to 700 pounds. That is a hefty lens. The Zeiss Otus 55mm 1.4. Can't wait to try this thing out. Were asking about how I pack my bag with like the red in it and stuff. I might do another video on that. But Peak Design backpacks are the one. Dropping Henry off at the airport now.
I'm gonna eat some croissants in the hotel room.
Good luck with that.
See you in 36 hours.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Off to meet Henry in Ibiza now. It's currently 3 AM in the morning. Got to shoot all day till very late tonight. And then we are, I'm just gonna sleep.
Hi, and see you there. Always wanted to do that.
How is this shit all?
It's alright actually. If it wasn't for the kids' music blaring. No, Cameron, no. I needed to send files 7 hours ago, right? And nowhere on this goddamn island has got a stable upload connection past 1.5 meg. Alright? I'm not gonna sit here for 400 hours and stop zooming in.
I don't know why you're so concerned. It's only a cool 157 hours remaining. I'll come pick you up at the airport.
I thought Spain was a developed country.
Nope. I was here 2 years ago?
Yeah, 2 years.
The video has been on the vlog trailer. That's been where I was at. Anyway, right there. Tower thing.
What is the tower thing?
Do you know that bit in Raiders of the Lost Ark when they all melt?
Yeah.
It's that.
Really?
No.
Okay. Well, there's the drone. So if the drone's nearby, then I'm sure you can find Cameron lurking in a bush somewhere behind a tree.
I am lurking. My aerial. Goodness. Ibiza is done. So it's E3 week this week, and I'm heading over to Henry's now to watch it. We love playing the Xbox games, but don't have as much time anymore because we're getting older and adult life and all that. Laptop, which is exporting stuff now, and this is literally the story of my life.